现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来講客家吧。
Hi there, welcome back to Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, the phrase we're teaching you over and over again is to be nervous or 緊張。
緊張。
緊張. Yeah, when we take a test, we may be nervous or very stressed. And then when the results come out, you're nervous again, right? So let's hear a conversation of a situation like that. 我們來聽這樣的對話。
聽講你在放榜咧，唔會緊張麼？
有一些咧，希望我有好成績。
唔是笑，我對你有信心。
Let's break these sentences one by one. Again, someone took a test already, and tomorrow the results are coming out. Okay, 我們來一句一句來教一下好了。
好，
第一句就是明天就要放榜咯，你會緊張嗎？ Tomorrow the results are coming out. Are you nervous?
天公日就會放榜咧，
天公日就會放榜咧，
唔會緊張麼？
唔會緊張麼？明天就要放榜了，放榜哦，有這樣的詞。
放榜。
放榜. Okay, that means results are coming out. Because traditionally here in Taiwan, like college entrance exams, they actually have a specific day where all the results come out. And so everyone who took it is going to be very nervous. Okay, there you go. 好，那对方就说有一点呢，希望会有好成绩。Yeah, a little. I hope I have some good grades.
有一些咧，
有一些咧，
希望我有好成績。
希望我有好成績。Okay, 好成績，
好成績，
啦。
對。
Okay, of course, we all hope for good grades. That's what that last three words mean. And the person is a little nervous. 刚刚说有一点怎么说？
有一些咧。
对了，有一些咧就有一点点了哈，有点紧张。好，对方呢要鼓勵他，別擔心，我對你有信心。No worries, I have faith in you. I have confidence in you.
唔是笑，
唔是笑，
我對你有信心。
我對你有信心，有信心。好，那我們就來重複練習幾個單字好了。
好。
All right, let's review some of the vocabulary we brought up, including good grades 好了，好成績，
好成績，
好成績 and then no worries 別擔心，
唔是笑，
唔是笑，有信心 have confidence，
有信心。
有信心。好，我們再來聽這個對話。Let's hear the conversation again.
聽講你在放榜咧，唔會緊張麼？
有一些咧，希望我有好成績。
唔是笑，我對你有信心。
And this month, don't get too nervous because we're teaching you how to say nervous. 緊張怎麼說？
緊張。
緊張。And there you have it, another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.